That one is star Shebby. Look at it good.
The answer I'm looking for, starfish.
Sir, you never study. Do you study the ocean?
Let me give you one more. See if you can,
Alright.
as an example. Try this one.
Alright. Oh my God, Jesus, deliver my soul. Holy Ghost. Handsome gunman.
Do you know what the answer to this one is?
Handsome gunman.
No, sir.
Akeem.
You could say that, but I'd like a specific answer.
Rosalie Osborne. Huh? Yeah. I'm coming to Atlanta tomorrow. I'm glad you never contribute to my plane ride. So I not have to meet up with you. I not have to know your whereabouts, my love. You think you got power with me for see if you can say RD? No, dear, you know. No, I'm not telling you say RD live at Atlanta. Anytime I want to pep up, I come up. Yeah, anytime I want to pep up, I come up. I'm not telling you say RD live at Atlanta. Everybody said they can't know when me I fly out. No, can't know when me I fly out, you know. All I want to just a guess. You can't know when me I fly out. Because I can't do these and take care of myself and sit down on the fridge. I do it too already. You never know. I do it too already. This is what you call pampering yourself. I do all of this. Now my mom on foreign attitude. Now up here spice lift too. Me I walk around the road. Me I go record this and sing go get 25. Yeah. No. Everybody why when I come on foreign, do not always say foreign fit me? Why? But I see when I look on the fridge top. Why? I want to go on the road, you know. But I want to sleep first, man, because I wake up after 3 this morning. I wake up after 3 this morning, 3 and I see. And when I can't get piece of that plant, I have to carry back down, go give my mama for plant up the yard and make Franklin Town look good. A foreign tree, them here now, when Jamaica water can grow there. We don't take piece of that plant I carry down now. And then some Andrew for import. He might import 10,000 people. And look how them grass are grow obedient. Them grass are grow upon one level and nobody now shave, now cut, now trim, now outline. Our grass them grow a while, you can know so we are local concubine. Yeah. Treat them nice. Let me say. All you ladies leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and the pockets full grown. And all the fellows leave a girl with their friends. It's just 11:30. Oh this. Why them not read my name properly? Them don't know say a big fish sitting on the ocean.
Come on, for this battery boy. What you want?
Go suck your mama. Come and love my juice, now come and ring out my batty juice in your mouth. Come and leave your teeth mark in my dodo. Come in if you can't read.
Oh yeah, man.
Go learn for read. You say Keith Ramsey. Go learn for read. Come here, spectrum looking man. Your face favor your brown door.
Wow. Mr. Keith, good evening.
Hello. Evening.
My name's Mr. M.
Mr. M.
Yeah.
You're supposed to Mr. Murder this. Yeah.
No. So, we're over here. Everyone's saying leave.
Why you say no?
I play a game on here called Catchphrase.
You play a game? What?
Where I give you the opportunity to win a TikTok universe.
You want me to give me an opportunity for in that TikTok universe?
Yes, sir.
Then is who call me name to you? Is who sit
Nobody.
down and come out and chat here with me?
I don't know who you are. This is the first time I've seen you.
You don't know who I am. I may look desperate to you.
No, I just thought you wouldn't be too bad about just trying a game out. Maybe your viewers might like it as well.
You want to give me one universe? You give me the opportunity to get a universe?
Yes.
Eh? Mr. M, me I go beg you go lay down. You know me can send you about half dozen universe.
It's just a game, sir.
Then me don't want to play a game for get a universe and me can send. That's why me not going a partner. Because the draw me can't save it.
Understood. Very understood.
Why you
So let me just say, sorry?
You're very pretentious.
No, I'm about to. I understand. I know when to take no for an answer.
Here, just take off the accent, little now. Please, me, I beg you. Tone down the accent. Because number one, you not laugh like a British. You laugh like one of we. And you just have put on the accent, so put it on, so I need to get to me now, you know. Oh.
I can't help it. I'm so sorry.
No, you gotta help it.
I'm from England, innit?
All of us. All of us under the Queen.
Yeah, that little.
All of we under the Queen. We are all British.
Betrays. Listen, just give the game a try. Stop being yeah, just give the game a try. You might like it.
Alright, come here. You wanna play a match with me, right?
No, not a match. It's not a match. It's a
What?
game.
What the game go?
Let me show you. Because I haven't been very clear. So I put images on the screen where you've got to match the words together. So you'd put the two objects together to make one word. What
I
would
know
it be?
that. So I can't get my universe now. I know that.
Well, considering you wasn't interested.
No, I know that. I know that. I know that, sir. Sir, I know that.
Hold on. Hold on, sir. Sorry. Bit of the patois came out. So
That's an example you give me. That's
yes, it's an example.
Starshibi.
Starfish.
Starshibi.
Starfish.
Starshibi.
This one is starfish.
That one is Starshibi. Look at it good.
The answer I'm looking for, starfish.
Sir, you never studied. Do you study the ocean?
Let me give you one more. See if you
All
can,
right.
as an example. Just one example. Right. Try this one.
All right. Oh my God, Jesus, deliver my soul. Holy Ghost.
Oh, his name is Shibi. Okay, I get it.
Handsome gunman.
Do you know what the answer to this one is?
Handsome gunman.
No, sir.
Akeem.
You could say that, but I'd like a specific answer.
Rosalie Osborne.
Oh dear.
Nah, get that them something hard, you know.
Would you like me to give you a clue?
Yeah.
Some people eat it.
Queenie. Queenie.
Well, the answer I'm looking for is Batio.
Batty who?
Batty Howell.
Oh yes, some people eat it for true. Come remember the last time I been over and I mean yeah, clap.
Oh my God! No!
I wonder what that they behind me when me look it out of stranger. Answer no. Oh.
All right.
You have any more?
Yes, a plethora of them. However, You need to play the game correctly if you're gonna play.
Alright then, let me try.
But you're gonna try. You're gonna play properly.
Yeah, batty wall.
Right. Those were examples. 1 second. Somebody keeps requesting. Those were examples. We're gonna play the game for true. The rules are this: every time you score 1 point, your score goes up by 1. Every time you say pass, next, or skip, your score goes down by 1. In 4 minutes, you need to get 21.
So much for me for get this SBA this man. Me never come a find for the examiner. But anyways, go on. Alright, come here. Then why when me get it right, my score go up 1, and when me say pass, my score come down. Score not supposed to come down when me say pass.
In this game, it does. However, the last rule that I need to give you, this could be the deal breaker. I would like you to turn your comments off so they don't give you the answers.
Alright. When I kill this moderator, them lock off the comments for me now, please. Too cute, too sweet. Big up yourself. Alright, see comments them have there. Sir, you can hurry please.
Yes, I will. So, comments are off. Thank you. You have, when the timer gets down to 4 minutes, I'll put the first images on the screen. Start the match.
Oh, I'm for accept you. Oh, I'm match right play, man.
When it gets down to 4 minutes, I don't think we're going to beat you.
What a nice way to play a half dozen match here. Sir, you know you scammed me a while ago.
Why?
You know, so that man, you trick me because you give me education or something for me play a match.
This is the 21.
Listen carefully.
Get 21 catchphrases in 4 minutes and receive a TikTok universe. Please turn off your comments. Dispose of any additional devices. The game will start when the timer gets to 4 minutes. You need to score 21. Every time you say pass, next, or skip,
whoa, Tiff,
you lose a point. Good luck.
All right, best of luck to you. On your marks, get set, go.
Hiya, man.
Well done, that's 1 point.
Honey bee.
Well done, that's 2 points.
You don't know them some fruits so they are foreign. Raspberry, strawberry, cereal.
Strawberry, well done. Strawberry, well done.
How about them the pots, frying pan, kitchen?
No.
Cooking, baking, chef. Pass.
Pancake.
Bell.
Which
church bell? Cathedral bell.
No.
Bell. Bell. Doorbell.
Well done, doorbell.
Starfish.
Well done.
Jesus. Jigsaw fix the house. Look here. Paint. Pass.
Hairbrush.
Jaden, that then. Football, basketball, netball, basketball. Bow tie.
No.
Bow.
No.
Butterfly.
No.
Dirty something. Pass.
Rainbow.
A rainbow that. Little house on the period. Bob Marley, 3 little birds at my doorstep. Little house. Pass.
Birdhouse.
I don't know them stuff. Anchor.
No.
Batmobile. Beamer Ballmobile. Cap on the ground. Cap on the. Okay, I'm not so visual
enough. What is on the board?
One car turn upside down and one car that turn upside down.
Skateboard.
A skateboard. I know we don't see such a winner. Next path.
Keyboard.
Don't know. Man, you really a trouble me.
That's a dragon.
That's my driver. Taxi driver. Red dragon, fire dragon, dragon ball.
Close. Keep going.
Dragon ball.
What does it say on his top?
Dragon fly.
Well done.
Ice cream.
Well done.
What is? Baby milk, baby feeding, baby shake.
No.
Milkshake.
Well done.
Room. Shane have nowhere to live.
Oh dear. 5 seconds left.
Bathroom.
Well done. Snipe, guys. Snipe.
Lord, me get the room part. Thank you, G. Bible.
This one is notebook. Wow.
Oh, I see note on it.
How many do you think you got?
Sir, must about 2 me get.
2.
Yeah, must about 2 me get.
All right. Do you know what? Oh my God.
It's challenging.
Guys, get some screen recorders out, guys, if you're here. Let's go. Let's tell them, let's go. Guys, it's amazing. So guys, as you know, Keith says she wasn't really good at it, but they got 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6. Then 7. Right. So you got 7.
From the time me attack a 7, me get 3 7s not 21. So me lose 2 of the 7 them.
Do you want to try again? Or have you had enough?
No, sir, no. My brain tired. Jesus, I can't even think.
I've never come across you before, so it's nice to meet you. My name's Mr. M. I've just dropped you a follow. Thank you very much for playing.
Oh, thank you, Mr. M. Big up yourself, Mr. M.
I see you don't follow nobody, so I don't expect you to follow me back. However, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
All right then. Have a good evening.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you for the follows, everybody. All right. Thank you very much.
Mr. M mashed up my brain a while ago. My glasses too thick, you know. I can't see through it. And then you can't read. You say I don't bring my reading glasses this morning, you know. Yeah. 3 7s are 21. I'ma lose over 40, you know. I'm not telling about me do good. I don't do shit. Oh. You were screaming keyboard. I couldn't see it. I threw my glasses, man, and the phone dark, you know. Cause if I did see it, me see it over there, so. For sure, I never see it, for sure. I never understand the game either. I didn't explain to me, I never understand. Cause I could have called a whole heap of other wrong word.